Hey, it's 13-12.
Hey, he's throwing 9 balls in a row. If it ain't your pitch, you don't swing.
Turn backwards in the back.
Yep, I'd wait. That's 10. Double digits!
Hey, he's going to shut up now because he can't count to 11.
God, that's... Got it up. It's fine.
Come on, catch.
You hit him with the bat.
Hit him right in the hand.
He ain't supposed to be here. Whoa.
Why ain't he? He's on deck.
No, he's supposed to be here.
Damn, dude.
Play interference want me. That ain't my problem. You're not supposed to be up here.
Hey, let's go, Bill. Do your thing, dog. Tied up right now, Chew.
Mostly he's got damn line back there at the dugout.
Here we go. Play.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Touch it on play.
Hey.
Way to run it out.
Did I miss it? Looks like it's me.
Hey, Cody, make it hurt. No, hey, we got 2 home runs, stupid. Do something smart.
Hey, stupid! I hit the fence.
Actually, hey. Hey, you get somebody killed. You get somebody killed by squeezing the strike.
Here we go. My shoulder was in the dirt.
Hey, 14-13 us.
14-13, bottom of 7. What is it? Bottom? Bottom of 7. 14-13, bottom of 7.
I've watched it for a few years, man. I learned how to get people to be quiet.
That's what it was. It was
How
like,
you do the sheet metal?
my back was ripped. I couldn't, I mean, I didn't power left. Here we go.
We got BK, Griff, Joe. Oh, this guy's up. This guy can't spell base hit, but he's got all the bullets. Oh.
Hey, Aaron, get ready to run. He gets on. Hey, it comes hard off his back.
Hey, they're out, dude.
There's 2 of them.
They're out.
B-A-S-E-H-I-T, base hit. B-O-M-B. I would love to play with you.
Hey.
You gotta get that one out of the ozone layer.
One out the other.
Middle's open on me. I dare you. I'll hit again. Can I swing your bat, sir? Out. Boy.
Hey, one down.
Can be, bro.
I see you gotta be like this.
Hey. Go, Joe. Black service. Help. 2.
Cody doesn't know a single thing. But God, I love Cody. Cody will fucking kill somebody. God, I love him. What's up with that little drama? We're talking about underhand, for God's sake. Let's have some fun.
You should have been at Fraser last night. It was really big together.
Well,
Like, he didn't fight somebody.
last night walking wasn't so much fun. Hey, you might as well forfeit him out. Let's go to the A. Hey,
It's a friendly
I gotta
game,
say-
you can shake bats.
hey, Callie.
You're ready.
Let him swing that back.
Here we go.
Swing it, dude.
Oh my shit.
Al,
Are you okay? Did I hit somebody? No.
I've been hit with a bat twice in one game.
Ball game.
Hey, we're going. No, tied up.
Tied up.
Tied game.
Tied up.
That threw me all off with that bat.
You know what's going on.
Hey!
I'm done.
I don't got dinner or nothing. Man, you almost screwed my life up here, Roy.
Hey, give me a menthol cigarette. Is that what it is?
And 475 foot high.
Damn, you almost ended my career.
Oh my God. You need to go back to Cali. You need to Riddle or something.
We don't do that shit here.
Here we go, batter.
My shit hurt.
Hey,
Did you see that silly shit? I don't care. Don't care. Like I said, I remember my first home run.
next I go over to tennis pro with that here.
Uh-huh. I guarantee you it'll shave if you don't
Turn
break
it off.
it first.
Here we go.
Tournament ball, I'm taking that back. Ain't no guts in that.
Out.
Let's go now.
Hey, Anthony.
Oh, that made my night.
Yeah, I'll run. Hey, go kiss the missus and get out of here.
Bam.
Good shot, Bam.
Hey, Bam, I just
I'm coming.
That made it move a little.
I got you.
Runner. Runner. Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I put it over those trees. She put it in a tennis court.
In front of it. 2-1.
Yeah.
That's fucking good.
Shot,
Nice
kid.
ball. Oh, boy.
Oh. Get your ass back.
Curtis likes this.
Slow down, new guy.
Be ready, seconds, turn 2.
I can put in 10 pro with a regular bat.
Yeah.
That bat is going over.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. He knows. He knows.
Jesse, do you right now.
Let's go.
2 down.
Jesse, do you right now.
Here we go, batter.
Where's West Virginia?
Unbelievable. Good for your pitching. Get out how you want. Play. 2-1.
Way to watch. Way to hold back, kid.
Oh, it's way in here.
Boo woo! Boo woo!
Throw me a good pitch.
I didn't want to walk the third time in a row.
I know the feeling about holding a good pitch.
I didn't want to walk the third time in a row. I won't. I tried to make do with what I had.
Hey, hey, I don't want to say okay, let's put a ball.
What? Yeah. Okay, boo woo.
What score? You a tie?
I'm going to strike out and boo woo.
I mean, I got one.
We have 2 left. We ain't hit none.
Here's saving them for special threat.
Hey, they can't score here.
Here we go.
Hey, we got 2, they got none. Hey, answer them here. Let's go to score run. They're out. Hey, they're out. We got 2.
Out.
And they want you to coach first base. Don't worry, Cubs players got you. At least this guy's smart. You know where the Cubs are. They don't even make sense anymore, do they? Mike, hit the ball!
2-2.
No, I know. That place we got last year at our industrial world. The starting center for their 40s.
Full count.
Oh, come on, he's right there. Come on! Come on, Derek. Nice shot. Means it.
Turn 2, Jesse.
Hey, Jesse.